When we first came here months ago, everything was up in flames, everything was covered in black ash. And in fact, this street that we're standing on used to have historic buildings dating back to the 1800s, but those were recently demolished. Now the big question is, where did everybody go, and will they be able to return home? The hills around Chinese Camp are green again, and animals are once again roaming through the town. But many of the homes and historic buildings that once stood here for generations are now just gone.
It's very difficult, very difficult. I mean, the town has been essentially wiped out. So it's getting used to living in the cool old ghost town with lots of history to being just another roadside neighborhood on the way down the road. You know, everything's gone. Everything's gone.
Construction crews are working daily to rebuild.
We're still in the phase 2 debris removal. We want to make sure that any contaminants that were caused by the fire itself aren't in the ground.
But the town still feels empty, and the road ahead is long. One of the few homes still left standing is what many now call the Miracle Purple House. During the fire, stray animals ran underneath there for shelter, and the owners helped reunite them with their families days later. Brian and Erica Kay say they're grateful their home survived, but without many of their neighbors who have now gone to live in trailers, hotels, other family members, or were simply too devastated to come back, the community feels quiet and lonely.
It's been a lot of stress, there's no doubt about it. Just the emotional toll that it's taken watching the town burn the first time and then watching it being demolished again. It's almost as if it's happening all over again for us.
On top of that, they now face the cost of replacing solar panels, repairing damage, all while feeling the support they once saw has faded.
Immediately after the fire, there was so much outpouring of support and love. And then as the days went by, you know, other things in history took precedent, and people just kind of started forgetting about us. And now, you know, there's no help around. People don't want to help anymore.
They hope that county leaders and the public have not forgotten about them. Local emergency officials say rebuilding an entire community will take time. But what they discovered along the way were lessons that more must be done to prepare in the face of large-scale events.
There were multiple lightning strikes, multiple fires occurring at that one time. So resources were stretched thin. So obviously, you know, really trying to gear to those worst case scenarios such as that to make sure we have the right resources available for us during an event if that were to occur again.
For now, the remaining residents can only wait for progress, wait to get back on their feet, and wait for the day that their lives and their town will feel whole again. But not all hope is lost. The Tuolumne County Office of Emergency Services is asking people to get in contact with their office so that they can get connected to nonprofits and other agencies that can help with those costs, as well as other recovery support. For now, reporting in Chinese Camp, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.